Hi everyone, you're about to learn how to download older macOS X versions directly from Apple's servers. Some websites have these installation packages, but there is a risk of them being infected by malware or any other type of virus that can compromise your security and privacy. I don't recommend to download macOS X installation packages from any other place. You should only download directly from Apple. That way you are 100% sure the OS X installation package is safe to install on your computer. Apple wants you to install the latest software available. That is why they hide the older OS X versions from the App Store, and they don't make it easy to find them. But today I am going to show you how to find them and download directly from Apple's servers. The Mac OS X versions that are available to download are Yosemite, El Capitan, Sierra, High Sierra, Mojave, Catalina, and soon Big Sur. OS X versions from Mavericks and older are not available to download online, because back then Apple was shipping new Macs with installation discs. Installation packages were not available to download online because the internet was not yet that advanced, and the only way to restore those OS X versions is using the installation disk. I am not saying that those older versions don't exist online. They do exist, but you have to navigate the dark web to find them. Okay, let's get started. In the description of this video, you will find these direct links. Just click on the macOS X version that you need and you will be redirected to the official Apple website. Scroll down to step 4 and you will see the option to download. Click on it, click allow, and the download will start. I am going to cancel this because I already have a copy. Now let's go back and click on the link for El Capitan. Let's wait here for a few seconds to tell you something important. Apple updated the website and now it looks different. If you click any of the links in the description below, you won't see this page. Instead, you will see this. But don't worry, you can still download the installation packages. Scroll down to download macOS and you will see the links to download. Click on the package that you need and it will start the download automatically. If you click on any of the two newer versions, you will be redirected to the App Store and you can download it from there. Pro tip, if you want to create a bootable USB drive, I have a video on my channel that shows you step by step how to do it. I will leave the link in the description below. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, subscribe and don't forget to click the like button.